Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wealth Crafters AI. I'm your host, Simon, and today, we're delving into the fascinating world of how to make money using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you some basic skills that I use all the time and which I think is very useful and important to master to successfully be able to make money using AI technology. We are going over how to create beautiful, mind-blowing images with just a couple of clicks, as well as looking into some strategies to use platforms like ChatGPT to perform different tasks for us that we can use to make money. I will also show you how we then can market these skills and products that we create to successfully make profits. Stay tuned and follow along as we dive right into it. First off, I will show you what kind of work we are looking for, to understand the market and see for ourselves what types of products and services are sought after. Let's head over to Fiverr.com. We can see here that, for example, logo design and web design are popular topics. If we click one of these, we find other people's ads, and we can then look for what type of work they are advertising and how much they are asking for it. If we, for example, want to offer our customers custom design and web development services, we can use AI to make this work for us. First off, I want to show you how easy it is to generate custom-made, mind-blowing, high-resolution images with free services like Microsoft Designer. These image-creating services are going to be the backbone in our work and make it possible to create beautiful artwork that we can use to design websites and other things for our future customers. So let's take some time to master it. Just head over to designer.microsoft.com. There are different options here. Let's choose Design Creator. I want to generate artwork for my website, so let's tell the software what to do. Find some images that you like and download them. Or if you want to customize them, you can do this as well. Microsoft Designer is a powerful, free-to-use AI-driven image creating and editing software, so make sure to familiarize yourself with it. You can also use the Image Creator to create custom images that include exactly what you want. Head over to Image Creator and type in some prompts. Now we just wait a moment for the software to generate some beautiful images for us. And there they are. Mind-blowing. Anyways, so now that we have learned about this, how can we use these images to create a website? There are some different options. You can definitely use some platforms like WordPress, for example, or other free-to-use software which you can just drag and drop templates and images and arrange them how you want. But if you want to offer more advanced and custom services, then we can use ChatGPT to help us do some coding and make the entire website by ourselves. Before we take the next step, make sure that you have Visual Studio Code installed on your system or some other coding environment that you prefer. I am using Visual Studio and I would definitely recommend it. It's a great environment to work in. If you don't already have Visual Studio installed, head over to code.visualstudio.com, download the latest version available for your system. Run the installer and let it install. Now, when we are set up with a nice coding environment, let's head on over to openai.com. Make sure that you have some good images already created for your website, as we have gone through before, and store them in a folder somewhere on your machine. Okay, let's do some magic. And remember, this is just an example. And the prompts we give to ChatGPT will differ depending on what kind of website we are creating and what we are trying to achieve. In this video, my goal is to show you the principle of this task and make a basic design. But ChatGPT actually can do some pretty advanced coding tasks. And if you take some time to learn the basics and understand how you can utilize this amazing, free-to-use AI software and make it work for you, you will be able to create your own beautiful and professional websites within a short amount of time. Let's type in a prompt to ChatGPT and let it create our basic design that we then can work on and develop further. Try to be as specific as you can when you tell ChatGPT what you want it to do. This is the responses I got. Now before we can do anything, let's head over to Visual Studio Code real quick. First, you want to go up in the left corner and hit File, Open Folder, and then create a new folder called Website. This is now your working directory, and now we need to create 3 files. Just do like I do it. The files should be named index.html, style.css, and script.js. When we have this set up, now we can just copy the code that ChatGPT wrote for us and paste it into the corresponding file. After you pasted it, make sure to save the files, and you can head over to your website folder and double-click the index.html file and open it. Now you should have a basic website design to work with. Now we can just tell ChatGPT what we want it to change. For example, in my case, I would like the body pictures to be arranged a little differently as well, as I would like to have a text box in the middle where some information can be written out. But here it's up to you to design the website as you like it. This will take some trial and error to make it look good. I would also suggest you familiarize yourself with the code and learn the basics of the structure and how you can modify the appearance by simple modifications to the files. You can also ask ChatGPT about a specific section of the code and make the software explain to you how it works. I am happy so far with my template design and how it turned out. Now it's time to develop more advanced functionality and designs. To do this, just ask ChatGPT how you would implement your desired needs into your project. Have fun with this and keep learning until you feel confident enough to take on a task from a customer and get paid for it. This will take a little bit of practice, but within no time you will make incredible designs very quickly and reliable. If you are interested in more tutorials on how to implement specific functions, like more advanced navigation systems, chatbots, and other cool stuff, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future videos. I wish you the best of luck with your projects and keep me posted. Signing off, your host, Simon.